been on your mind?
Moving.
Moving, thank you.
Thank you.
So exhausting. Every time. And it's like, how many glasses do we have? So many. And I'm just, lunging practically. I hate moving. I hate it.
Feeling a little lightheaded. Oh, Sandy. Huh?
Sorry.
Sorry. Sandy, this is a big step for us.
Huge. Huge step.
You have a lot of crap.
I do.
I didn't realize that. It's all good. It's good. I have my own foibles.
I am quite aware of that. Oh my gosh. Oh, that's my college trunk. All my memories from college. Don't sit on my college trunk. It's a trunk. There's valuable stuff in there. Oh my gosh. Oh gosh.
It's like a psych book.
Yeah, I took all my textbooks. All of them. It's crazy because I did that extra year master's program and got really doubled up on credits that year.
You've been lugging around your textbooks for 5 years.
Yeah. In my college trunk. What? Nothing means anything to you? I mean, I'm gonna say it. I'm a little surprised in this move that you haven't, there's no box, a Jessica box. You don't have a box for a relationship. And the truth is to talk about gripes, it's something I noticed. And I wasn't gonna say anything, because I didn't want to taint this.
Honey. Look, I do have a box.
Thank you. I just...
Remember when we had that kiss next to the rainbow? It was great.
Yeah.
We were right next to it. It was like in view, though. I don't think you can get next to a rainbow.
Close enough. Close enough that I saved the umbrella that we used that day in the rainstorm.
It's like
I put it in my box. Yeah, I put it in my box. Which, by the way, is still in the van. And it's really heavy. And I gotta work on these glasses. You are not a sentimental man. And I'm just afraid you're gonna turn into your father one day. I mean, you might as well get all this out now,
God!
Don't you dare. What are you doing?
Bringing this back to the truck. Hold on.
You're not. Come on, that's a little dramatic, don't you think?
Well, I had never felt further away from that rainbow than
We were pretty far away. Remember? Can't get that close to a rainbow.
that was the poem you wrote.
You didn't save that? I went to Michael's. I wrote that on parchment.
Yeah, I mean, parchment is way over the top.
Yeah, and it's not destructible, which means you save it. That was survived the flood. What are you doing with my college box?
A bill box?
Yes. Of course.
Your
putting the wrong box. There's also a Brian box for my college boyfriend. In the college box. My high school box, by the way, is that in the van? Yeah, that's where I got the idea. Bill was a sentimental man. And I thought you were. Listen, today is the day when we make this house our box. So you have to give me a little bit more than this. Because today's supposed to be a good day. And it is awful. You smell so bad. Yeah, you've been really sweating, like uncomfortably. And I, again, was gonna let it go because I'm filling the box with love.
Okay. So, how about I read you a chapter from Psych 101?
You took pictures of like everything. Like I feel like you've taken like dozens of photos of my kids. Like it's a lot of pictures.
Well, why are you looking through my phone?
Because I just needed to know what you were taking pictures of. I thought it was gonna, I don't know. You're always Well, it is creepy when you find like 30 pictures of your kids on someone else's phone.
Why are you looking at my phone?
I don't understand how I became the bad guy.
You saw, she went right into my purse. We're here at the playground. I left it here in the thing, and she rifling.
You're always training that phone at my children.
I don't understand. Okay, I have a wallet in there. My social security card might be in there. I'm not saying it is.
If I may.
Yeah.
Should you both have a lawyer? I can't be on both sides of this.
I see you more like an arbitrator.
Okay.
I saw you more as someone that she was paying for, also giving me legal advice. Even though
I think
it
that might be
benefit her more. But
Well, if he's an arbitrator, he's helping both of us keep this out of the legal system, actually. You're good.
how did you know I was good?
I just need to know how to bill you guys. Or you. Whoever's paying.
No, I'll pay. Do you take wallet? Like,
Because I just feel like you referencing wallet is like you're admitting right now that you stole money.
no, I didn't steal money. Can you admit that if you're like, right, you're at Turtle Park or whatever, and then you look over and someone is trading their phone on your kids, that you'd be like, I gotta get to the bottom of this, so you get the phone, you make sure there's an arbitrator present. This is standard playground shit, Marilyn.
What? Do you want to know I'm on the pill this month? There you go. What?
You seem kind of
Want to
old
see
for
my
it, if I'm
pregnancy
being
test?
honest.
I'm pregnant.
Okay?
You want to see my grandma's ashes? Here they are! Spread them here on the ground! You don't give a crap about my possessions! Which are my own, and now they're on the floor, and they're public, and everybody knows about them.
How do you do this?
Frankie Capitano, of all the concession stands, you come up to mine today.
Well, Lizzie, I just didn't expect to see you here.
I didn't expect to see you back in this town.
Well, Lizzie, it's good to see you again.
Oh, it's great to see you, Frankie. Really good to see you.
Yeah. So,
Yeah, I haven't seen you.
How you been, Lizzie?
I've been really good.
Yeah? All right.
Really good.
All right.
My sister, not so much.
Oh, no, how's your sister doing?
You know, the weight of a broken heart that you gave her, she's still sunk into the ground.
I know what you're talking about, Lizzie. Yeah, we just dated for a couple of months
Oh,
or something.
Frankie, you're yapping so hard right now. You're yapping.
What are you talking about? I'm just telling the truth here, Lizzie.
You got some cojones, Frankie. Coming back into this town, coming to my concession stand.
Hey, I just wanted a Coke and a hot dog, all right, Lizzie? Didn't want all this drama. But you and your sister both, you're all about your drama, all right? I just want my concessions here. I mean, come on.
Frankie, be honest with me.
I'm being real here, Lizzie. Being totally real, right? Look, you and your sister are my people, all right?
Why'd you do that to my sister, Frankie?
Hey! Your sister knew what we were! Your sister knew what we were, all right?
She didn't know, man! She's still her age. She can't trust you
Well,
when
she needs to move on, all right? It was 2 years ago.
She's not over it.
Let's have my problem with you, all right?
She's home watching The Bachelorette, Frankie. She's crying over you every Monday night. Tuesdays, I don't even want to tell you what happened. It's disgusting. As an older sister, you an older sister? Do you know? No,
No, I'm not an older sister, Lizzie, all right? Yeah. Love The Bachelorette.
I knew.
Watch it together. All right? You think I didn't hurt too, Lizzie, huh?
You're walking tall, your chest is puffed out, you're ready to eat a hot dog. People
What, I can't eat a hot dog? Oh, maybe I'm hurting. That's why I want a hot dog, huh? You ever think of that, Lizzie? Huh? Maybe think that I'm stuffing my grief with hot dogs? Huh?
So, I was thinking, you have a great place, by the way. I was thinking, it's a big step. Maybe we could find our own place together.
Oh my gosh. It's okay. Yeah.
Woo!
It was so much easier than I thought it was going to be. Hug it out.
Instagram pic?
Excuse me?
Let's see pic. Move in.
Oh my God, that's awful. It's just terrible.
Good. It's the moment.
Oh, no, it's kind of bad. No.
Yeah, you look toothy.
Oh my God, you're moving in with him?
Yeah.
Like. Who is that guy? We haven't even been introduced to him yet. Now you're moving in with him? Aren't you moving too fast? Did you change shampoo? He looks fat. Do you guys work out together?
You look distracted.
It's just so much
I know,
inside of me.
It's all right.
Gosh.
It's all gonna work out.
Okay.
I travel really light.
Cool.
Yeah.
Great.
It's a big commitment.
All right, we're doing it, Peter. We're gonna put all our money in this business.
Yeah.
It's gonna pay off.
I feel like if you're gonna do something, you need to put your life in so much jeopardy that you have no recourse.
I'm gonna give you my entire inheritance.
Great, because I have taken out my entire 401k. I pretty much just have enough to buy ramen for a month.
Yeah. Yeah.
You have an inheritance?
Not anymore.
That's weird. Are your parents dead, or do you have a...
Should we maybe set a little bit? Just in case it doesn't go out?
So you're gonna build
Yeah.
a life raft that exists in your brain as a safe place you go when you're not focused on success?
Focus on sex. We're gonna do it.
Is this how orphans talk? Are you like really risk averse? Are you an orphan?
Look, my parents died a while ago. Okay, it's not a thing. It's not a thing, all right? I'm just right now. I'm living in the moment. I'm living in the moment.
Yeah.
Not worried.
Yeah, this
I'm
business
not worried
is
at
like,
all.
it's like a license to print money. Everyone loves socks.
Yeah. It's gonna work out.
You went to that life raft again with your dead parents.
No. I'm here. I'm in it. I'm in it to win it. We're gonna live the dream. We're gonna live the dream.
I mean, I'm gonna get evicted. Like, pretty much like, it'll be like like this every time I have a bill due. And that is the only way I would feel comfortable as a businesswoman.
You know what? Look, the memory box idea is going to take off.
Yeah.
People are going to be buying them.
Yeah.
I mean, we've got 100,000 coming in. Those are going to be gone like that.
Like that.
Like that. We're going to be ordering more before we know it.
Yeah. I mean, I'll sell blood or plasma, anything. I'll sell. I went to Colgate, so I think I can get like $15,000 for my eggs.
How much do you think they gave us by, you know?
It's not as much.
Everybody in the van, the storm's coming! All right,
The tent!
You can't hurry!
Okay. Here. Oh, jeez. All right, I'm just taking the cooler in the front seat.
Wait, the stove! We forgot the stove!
We're gonna find this tornado, and we're gonna
No,
get
wait,
right
Mr. Sprinkles! Mr. Sprinkles!
Oh my God!
Mr. Sprinkles! Mr. Sprinkles!
You shouldn't have brought your guinea pig on.
Oh my God, you guys are back! Are back! Bring on! The tornado's gonna come and hit Silent! Oh, it's
The man loses to me! We're gonna follow this twister to wherever it leads.
All right. Wait, what did I do with the cooler?
The cooler!
Oh my God!
Jesus!
That's our dream!
God!
Our explorer hat! Stop! Consider here!
I'm getting the hell out of here!
Honey, I've decided. You're going off to college, and I'm throwing away all your tests.
What?
The drawings you did as a kid.
No, that validates my perfectionism, Mom!
Wow,
Mom!
I'm tired of putting this box around. Look, your father and I are getting a condo. Okay, I'm not keeping this. You just literally just stamped on it. This isn't art.
That is Picasso level genius cerebral.
This stuff is on Pinterest everywhere. If you are feeling sad about it, just look it up. Look up like crap kids crap. Stuff around. No, your father and I we're getting rid of stuff. We're getting a houseboat. We're moving away.
You're getting a condo and a house.
The condo is in Milan.
I'm a leprechaun! Holy! Oh, hello! Welcome to my haunted moon arena.
Oh! How did I get here? I was in a rainbow, and then all of a sudden I felt like I was transported.
Well, that's how you got here.
I've never been so close.
Wait, dragon.
Yep, no, I'm keeping that.
That's
Yep, the life-size Han Solo statue. Put it in the bag.
no, come on, that's
Yep,
crazy.
keep it. Keep it.
That is
Keep it.
crazy.
Not. Sorry, Chewie, I'm leaving you behind. I can't see you anymore, buddy. Sorry.
I don't consider it hoarding, I consider myself an archivist. I consider myself an archivist of... Ma'am, you're very rude. I'm paying you to help me get organized.
I'm telling you, he's hurting! He's hurting! He's eating hot dogs! You gotta come back! You gotta come back to us! I'm freaking out! I miss my sister! He misses you!
Hey, baby. I see you're still wearing the spacesuit. Always turn me on, that spacesuit of yours. Are we playing charades now or something?
Oh, that's a nice miniature tornado. It's very impressive. I can see it.
Oh, Mr. Sprinkles, we finally found you! Mr. Sprinkles! Mr. Sprinkles!
That's so lovely.
I wager everything.
Do you have the parchment wager?
Yeah, it's I wager all of it.
Okay.
And
The gladiators will be shortly. So.
Gladiators?
When I die, I want to be cremated and cast aside freely in an arbitration. My remains can provide some solace to disputants.
These kids are so cute.
I don't even know. Where's my mom?
Oh my god. You guys do something funny. This is
Where's your mom? Oh my god.
Who are
Do you guys take your pants off?
This rainbow. So good.
I can't believe we actually fucking made it. And then it's edible.
Taste it.
Oh, taste the rainbow.
Car mystery box. Car mystery box.
Got to do it, man. Do it.
No, the car is definite.
You gotta
It's
do
gonna take me
it.
places, but the mystery box could be anything.
It could be.
What should I do, leprechaun?
Take it.
Hey, Gary.
What up?
It's Gary, right? Yeah? Oh my god, I'm Christine.
That's my husband.
I don't recognize you. Oh my god, where are you getting my husband? Hi, I haven't seen you in like forever. Oh my god.
How do you know each other?
Are you married to her now?
Yeah, it's been a while.
That's
Why are you so
crazy.
familiar?
That's crazy. I would have not thought you guys were married.
I know, but it's not really.
Do you remember that time down by the river, the chatty
Tell me right now.
Oh my god, you two guys! You two guys! Oh my god, how long has it been?
Oh my
I
god! Steve,
Yep.
Yeah.
The river?
Oh,
tell me.
River.
I know.
Threesome, you said no.
Oh, so
that's all my god. Oh, guys.
What are you doing later?
Guys,
Oh my god! Oh, hey, you guys remember we went on that camping trip?
You know what? I still have the scar right here.
divorce box.
Yeah, I decided to try boxing.
Now? Now? I have 700 copies of our divorce papers in this box. And you show up with a box now?
Better late than never.
Yeah. Yeah. What's in it? Let me know what's in it. If there's something in it, and it means something.
It's a paper heart.